Attention. Phong khổ.
Kenigi chamlangi sinchar kamjule kamon
Receive the family as a mark of respect.
Lada pule I yaga aza kasan kwa ka JSPC de department ko ain ko chemi wa kani ka de ibor yagi Dalloi kisat dar nebta wa pret ki yaga kam wa yada yaga mariam ko ka sodom sokuni I ka wa ka ain da am chwa wa ti go mu yagi Dalloi de kubor da ain mu kenne sa yaga meram yo ngai skemo wa kani ka ain wira ko Yepi hiwa upunham pi yepo prekam yang Dalloi waro hi. Kamu bertemu yepi waro analiang yang terisi hepo kacing langmat yo si ma thomba siwat. Dapat benai hepo kajing dorbar wa tadip thau lene ameni nan ta upunha susu yang ga arajar kesan. Karmen wa ga seminar le unang yo jingmut susu upunha yang ga Kuah itu rekam kita Dalloi serdar bagi Westnam. Pada ini lagi kita tu badi di mat tu pak pasar badi lagi. Hacau cuma sistem nementa usiam bagi JCDC iuble OIP baru nementa pada kopi ini negasi.
Okay.
Okay, so in the Jaiñtia Hills, diversity, in my opinion, is one great characteristic of the district. We have different religions, we have different forests, we have different actors that are working on many aspects of this landscape. But we have one problem that we all share, which is the environmental degradation. And today we call to all the Dallois and skulbah to come together for the first time in the Jaiñtia Hills to talk about this common topic that we are all concerned about. Because this is a common problem, and yet we are all working in a different sector, and then we don't communicate with one another. District Council working so hard, Dorbachinom working so hard, and Dalloi they're also responsible for many aspects, and then of course the public. And yet somehow we lack communication. So for this seminar, I was hoping to come together and then exchange ideas and opinions about the common problem that we all feel strongly about, environmental degradation. And I hope at the end of this seminar we come to an agreement about the gap between these different sectors and different people who are concerned about the environment, and come to consensus that we must take action, but collaboratively. We have to collectively work together to do something for our future generations, for the district that we all live here. We have so many traditions and culture and practices that we all care about. So I hope that it is coming up, and then I want to close the gap between this culture and nature. We work together for these sectors. So that's what I hope today. Thank you.